Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can sign out of all devices on Spotify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Spotify and then go to right top corner and you're gonna see the menu here and click account. Right when you're gonna do it, there will appear Spotify here, your profile. And right now you just want to simply sign out everywhere. Sign out everywhere. You have Spotify open, including the web, mobile, desktop, or any other devices. So you want to click here, sign out everywhere. And this is pretty much it, how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. So again, you are in the Spotify, go to right top corner to the arrow, click account. Now you're gonna be here in your account. Click down, scroll down below, sign out everywhere. And this is pretty much it, how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.